An SDK, or Software Development Kit, is a collection of tools that developers can use to build applications for a specific platform. An SDK typically includes libraries, documentation, and code samples that provide a developer with the necessary tools to build an application for a particular platform or programming language. An SDK can be specific to a particular programming language or platform, such as Android or iOS, or it can be a more general-purpose SDK that can be used across a variety of platforms. Some common examples of SDKs include the Java Development Kit, JDK for Java, the .NET Framework for C#, and the Android SDK for Android development. Using an SDK can make it easier for developers to build applications, as it provides them with the necessary tools and libraries to get started quickly. It can also help to ensure that applications are built to work correctly on a particular platform, as the SDK includes the necessary libraries and documentation to help developers